So you're looking to buy a home in the next couple of months. Today, I'm gonna show you the exact process you need to follow to buy a home the right way. I've helped hundreds of home buyers get into their new homes smoothly, but I've also seen many fail because they went about the home buying process in the wrong way. So sit down, grab a pen and paper, and I'll walk you through the exact process that you need to follow so you can avoid the unnecessary anxiety and frustration that most home buyers run into. With that being said, let's get started. So in the first month on your 3-month journey, do not just start shopping for homes. Biggest mistake people make is they're on Zillow and they're seeing what they like. Instead, do this. Start working on your credit now. The first month is always trying to tighten up your FICO scores to get them as high as possible without spending too much money to do so, because that's also a part of the first month, is getting your finances put together and saving for the down payment and potential closing costs. The third thing you should be doing in your first month, it's not shopping for homes. It is talking to a mortgage loan officer, somebody who is going to balance out your finances, do your debt to income ratios, and give you a maximum amount of home that you actually can afford. I see so many people start shopping for homes, find their dream home, and then talk to the financing end of the spectrum and not qualify. Total devastation. Don't put the cart before the horse. Make sure that you're getting your finances tackled first. So now that you have month 1 in place, let's get on to month 2. So in month 2, the fun begins. This is when you can actually start shopping for homes, touring them, seeing what you like and what you don't like. Do not go for fixer-uppers. Those are low price for a reason, and I see so many home buyers fall into the pitfall and the trap of trying to get a home that they have to repair to be able to buy. A lot of folks are not, especially if it's your first time buying, that is not the first home that you want to buy. You want to buy a more turnkey home that you don't have to worry about whether or not it is livable and qualified. So instead, do this. Talk to a real estate agent who's going to help guide you through the process and find the appropriate homes based off of your checklist of desires. Everybody has a checklist, and this is something else you should do in this month. Get 10 make it or break it items that you need checked off on a home. And you are not going to check off all 10 because no home is going to be perfect. Instead, try to check off at least 7 to 8 of those. And if you can check off 7 to 8, then you know you have a winner as far as a home. Which brings us to month 3. Month 3, offers should be going out. It's time to get escrow opened and get that contract sent out to the listings that you like, be it 1 that's really good or 2, so you have a couple in the mix. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket and assume that you're going to get this one offer accepted. Instead, put a backup situation on the table. Get 2 offers out instead of just 1. It is double the work, but trust me, you will have options and more leverage if you have 2 accepted offers versus 1 that's just not accepted and it's back to the drawing board. If you follow all 3 of these monthly steps, you will be on the path to home ownership in 3 months without fail. And if you're looking to start the home buying process, or maybe you want to see how much home you can afford, click the link in the description below to book a mortgage consultation with me.